Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to disable randomized MAC addresses on Android, so your device uses a consistent network identity every time you connect. Now, let's get started. Method 1, Step 1, open the Settings app on your phone. This is where all your main device controls are located. Step 2, use the search bar at the top and type Build Number. This helps you access a hidden option for advanced settings. Step 3, tap the build number about 5 to 10 times until you see the message saying Developer Mode Enabled. This unlocks the Developer Options menu. Step 4, go back to the main settings page, scroll down, tap on Additional Settings, then open Developer Options. You'll find Advanced System Preferences here. Step 5, scroll down until you reach the networking section. This section manages your device's Wi-Fi and data behavior. Step 6, find the option called Wi-Fi Non-Persistent MAC Randomization and toggle it off. This will stop your phone from changing its MAC address automatically. Method 2, Step 1, open the Settings app again and tap on Connections. This is where you can manage Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and other network options. Step 2, tap on Wi-Fi to see your available networks. Step 3, tap the gear icon next to the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to. This opens your network details. Step 4, scroll down and tap on View More at the bottom of the screen to see extra settings. Step 5, tap on MAC address type to choose how your phone identifies itself on the network. Step 6, select Phone MAC to disable randomized MAC addresses, or choose Randomized MAC if you ever want to turn it back on later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful Android tips and tricks.